Hi, I'm Rachel.
I'm Mindy.
Welcome to Needles and Nerds. So this year we're participating in the. Do you want to start that again? We're participating in the Costube Stash Swap.
Yep. Yeah. And I just sent off our package to Kelley from Unpacking the Trunk Costumes.
And we've received our package from Elizabeth Estervig.
So we're going to unbox that.
And we're really excited to see what we got. First of all, this like cool pink
braided.
Okay, I have an idea because I have the pink garden party.
Yeah.
It'd be really cool to cover one of my straw hats in this.
Ooh. Maybe.
I might want to try to integrate this because pink is my main color for that.
I think there's a letter.
Oh, that's probably a good thing to read first.
Oh!
It's chalk!
It's
Taylor's
chalk!
chalk!
Oh my god, is this Taylor's chalk? I wish there was a letter.
We needed this!
Wait, do I have fabric?
Oh, I'm excited for this.
I don't know
I've been
if the
meaning to
camera
get some.
can see that. It looks fancy, is what it looks like.
Yes, thank you.
Oh, that's awesome.
Some embroidery hoops.
Yeah, I saw those and I was like, ooh, I just picked up embroidery.
So she's enabling your hobbies.
Enabling because it is a hobby. I wasn't planning on using it that much in costuming, except for, you know, that project that I'm doing where I'm going to embroider everything. Other than that, it wasn't going to be a part of my costuming experience.
We've got this. It's all wrapped up. It looks like it's a nice linen.
Ooh.
Like a really nice brown linen.
This book, Costume in Detail, 1730 to 1930. Ooh, we don't have any costuming books.
We don't have any books.
I mean, it's a new hobby. Bible source concerned with fashion, period dress, history, theater, film, or television. Ooh.
See a little bit inside. Let's peek it open.
Just peek. Ooh.
The illustrations are lovely.
Yeah, I instantly opened to this greatcoat cape thing. 1825 it says. And it's just gorgeous. I'm gonna do it again just in case.
Just in case.
Because it was really lackluster. So I'm like, look at this.
We've needed references and research online is good, but it's limited.
It's limited and it's spotty. Sometimes you can get misinformation online.
Yeah, there's a lot of contradictory stuff.
Yeah.
And then look, we've got this nice lace.
Ooh, that looks nice.
It's got like this neat little pattern. And we've got this blue trim.
That is really pretty.
Which is gorgeous. Oh, that is just, look at that. I love that design. I mean, it would be really cute as like little flutter sleeves too.
Oh, yeah.
Like little straps for something.
Like my initial thought was some sort of flounce almost.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh man, so many ideas.
Oh, there's more lace.
Ooh. It's like little flowers. You probably can't. It's probably hard to see it.
But it's there.
Lots of lace. We use lace so much, so that's so helpful. We've got flat reed.
Ooh. See, this is me and my lack of knowledge showing through, but what would we...
It looks like it's for weaving.
Okay, for weaving.
Weave Master brand flat reed. Not to say, I mean, I'm sure there's other things
you use in
costume that I have like no clue about.
Yeah, we'll have to do research.
We'll have to research.
We'll have to learn something.
We can read our book.
We can read our book and find out what you can do with reed.
I don't know if it's something that you could use for maybe like hooping or something. That's
what
I'm wondering.
My first thought was like, can you make hoops with that?
I don't know. I'm about to start my excursion into the hooping world.
Yeah.
So we'll find out.
If you can make hoops with that.
That will be part of my research.
Yeah.
Now. My so professional research.
Well, you say that, but we have a book.
Oh, here's
the note. It was in this one.
There are 2 boxes.
To my Needles and Nerds cohorts. I hope you'll enjoy this League of Legends Funko Pop. Ooh!
I worked for them in makeup, it looks like.
Your handwriting's lovely. Yeah. We're just dumb.
I think I worked for their makeup.
Oh, you're right. That's it.
That's
it.
Wait.
Big brain.
We're on that lower end of cursive learners. We're the late millennials. We're right before Gen Z, so we know it, but it's still like a slight deciphering.
I had like a week where they're like, here's cursive, kids, and that was my cursive. I wasn't as successful trading for Disney as pandemic made
drop-off trades difficult.
But I hope you enjoy it anyway. Yours,
Beth Estervig.
Thank you so much, Beth.
Oh,
that's so sweet. I'm now realizing that it's like a little like bird on the front. I wasn't sure what it was at first, and now I see. Now I understand.
Ooh.
It's a League of Legends pop.
It is so fancy. That's like a really good quality case, too.
Yeah.
Hammerdinger. He's so cute. I like his little goggles.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. All right, we're going to have to brainstorm and figure out how we're going to combine these things or integrate them into our projects. So stay tuned and see what we come up with. Otherwise, check out our Instagram, subscribe. We clearly have our life together.
Yeah, oh my god, aren't we so put together right now?
And
professional in this craft room you've never seen before.
You know you want more of this.
You know you want more of our level of crazy content.
In fact, you want it so much, you're going to ring that bell because you just have to be notified the second we put something out. Because that might be the only way you find out if we post something. Thanks for watching.
Thanks so much for watching.
Bye.
Bye.